Installing new LED reverse lights in my Tacoma and a giveaway set for you guys. Well, good morning everybody and welcome back to the channel. That's right, today I'm going to be installing these GTR lighting LED reverse lights on my Toyota Tacoma. Now, they're going to be going in the new tail lights that I put on here because they came with only halogen bulbs. So we're going to be putting these in. Now, you can get these, or if you have any other lighting needs, you can get all kinds of stuff from Headlight Revolution and use discount code RobMotive for free shipping. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to install these, and I'm going to give you details on how you can win a pair right back here for your Toyota Tacoma. Now, I'm going to kind of scatter what you need to do through the video, so you have to watch the whole video. I'll give you the first thing right now. You need to be a subscriber to this channel, RobMotive. I'll give you more as we go. Okay, first off, all you need to do this is a 10mm socket, you know, the gold standard for the Toyota Tacoma, and remove two bolts. The one right here, which is actually the second one down from the top, and then the bottom one right here. That will allow you to pull the taillight out. So let's go ahead and get those off. There's one. Make sure you keep track of those because, you know, you're going to need them again later. Alright, you might be able to see the light actually moving a little bit right now. So all we should have to do is pull this straight out. Should be that simple. There you go. And it sounds like we had something fall down. We did. What that was the little screw-in part here actually goes right down here on the bottom. You guys can see that. That's what your bolt goes into. So we'll go ahead and put that back on. Now, what we need to do is go ahead, let's see if I can get you a little closer here, is go ahead and release the reverse light, which is right here, right there, by just turning it left and pulling it straight up, just like so. It's that simple. Then go ahead and pull the bulb out. That's pretty easy. Then grab your GTR reverse light here. Go ahead and get that out of the box. Move you back just a little. There we go. Go ahead and pull this out of here. There you go. Isn't that pretty? I always love how these look. They just look cool. If nothing else, they look cool. Now, I'm going to give you a little tip before we plug this in. And by the way, they do just plug in right here into the factory harness here, the factory plug. There is a little grommet, if you will, around here. That's what holds this in. A lot of installs that I saw on this, they suggested that you kind of connect it all up and then stick this in the hole and then kind of push on it and turn it. I got to tell you, that's a pain. This slides right off, so just go ahead and pull this off gently. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and just twist this off, and I'll show you why in a minute. And actually, it is kind of glued on there, so I guess I wouldn't recommend that you do this, but it's going to make your life a heck of a lot easier. And if you're a real stickler, you could put a couple dabs of glue on there. I don't know. Me, I don't think it's that big a deal, so I'm not worried about it. But now that we have that off, go ahead and pull our light back out of here again. We want to go ahead and insert this in the hole on the light right there, and you can just push it in there, and that way you can just connect everything up and then just push the bulb right in. You don't have to do any twisting or anything. So let me go ahead, push that grommet in there, and then we'll come back on. Alright, we've got the grommet in there, as you can see. Now all we have to do is connect the light up. Show you how to do that. It's pretty simple. Just take your plug, and you'll want to test this. They are sometimes polarity specific, so you'll want to test it after you put it in to make sure that you do have it plugged in the right way, but it just plugs right in where the bulb was before. So let's go ahead and give that a shot. There you go. And then I'm going to go over and turn the truck on real quick. make sure that that works. And you can see here it did not. That's because I must have it on backwards. Let's turn it around. So let me go ahead, pull it out and flip it the other way. Like so. There we go. Now, let's take another look, see if it comes on. And there you go. You can see it indeed is on. Okay, now, as I said, all we have to do is push the LED light in through the little grommet there, and we'll be golden. So, let me go ahead and do that. There, that should give you a nice tight seal. Again, it looks like you're not supposed to take that off, but I'll tell you, it is much easier to install doing it that way. So now all we have to do is go in reverse what we did before, put our light back on, just push things back in the same way that you took them off, and then I'll show you guys what this looks like after everything's back installed. Okay, there you go, got it all done. I'll show you guys a before and after here at the end, but let's finish up the giveaway. So just to recap, you need to be a subscriber to this channel, RobMotive. You need to be a subscriber to my second channel, RobMotive JT. You need to follow me on Instagram. My Instagram name is RobMotive. You need to comment below this video. This is very important. Below this video with your Instagram name. Now, the reason you need to give me your Instagram name, and you need to be on Instagram, is so that I can verify who the real winner is. I will contact you via the Instagram name that you provide below this video, should you be the winner. Now, there will be a random drawing. I'll post it up a week from today. So that will be August 28th, that's next Friday, at some point during the day. And then I'll send you a message on Instagram, again, via the name you provide. So make sure you get your name right. All the dashes, dots, periods, whatever, because whatever name is given will be the person I contact, and they will be the winner, even if it isn't you. So make sure you get it right. You will then have 48 hours after I contact you to answer my message, I guess, or give me your shipping address so that I can send these lights right here out to you. That's all it's going to take. Now, if you don't contact me within 48 hours, I'm going to pick somebody else. So make sure you contact me, and you contact me back so that I can get your address and send these out to you. That's it. That's all there is. Pretty simple, I think. Anyway, let's go ahead. I'll give you the before and after here at the end of the video. Appreciate you guys watching. Real quick, got to do a shameless plug. If you haven't before, check out my other channel. It is RobMotive JT, all about my 2020 Jeep Gladiator. Also, big shout out to Headlight Revolution. That's where I got these. If you're looking for any lighting, again, for your Tacoma, Tundra, or any other vehicle out there, they've got it all. Get a hold of them, Headlight Revolution. Also, don't forget, there's a discount code, RobMotive, for free shipping. Now, make sure you hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any upcoming videos, like the announcement of the winner next Friday. And do me a favor, smash that subscribe button on the way out. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there. Bye. Okay, here's a shot of what the reverse lights look like. Got myself in the frame for reference, if that matters. But here's what they look like right now with just the halogen bulbs. Matter of fact, if you look real close, you might even be able to see those bulbs in there. Yeah, right there in the center. So you can actually see the bulbs. So that'll give you some kind of an idea of what they look like before we put the LEDs in.